Take a look at your house. Chances are, when it was first built, it was just a regular dumb home with no smart features or automation. Most of us retrofit our homes with tech later on, and while that can make life easier, it's often a pain to work around the limitations of older construction. But what if you could start from scratch? What would your ideal smart home look like? In this series, I'll design what I believe to be the perfect smart home, built from the ground up with technology in mind. My name is Steve, and this is IT Alchemy. When I bought my house, I was excited. After years of renting, I had finally had the freedom to build and customize in the way that I want. But the reality, my house is pretty typical 1970s construction and definitely not built with smart technology in mind. Now, a decade later, I find myself thinking, what would I do differently? If I could start from scratch. And the first thing that comes to mind, the building itself. What if the structure was inherently smarter? That thought led me to explore prefabricated homes. And the one that really stood out, Pacific Homes and the Pacific SmartWall system. It's a prefab wall system built to exact specs in a climate control facility. It's efficient, airtight, and fast to assemble on site. What really stood out to me, especially up here in Alaska, was the focus on thermal efficiency and reduced thermal bridging. Thermal bridging is the heat that escapes directly through the studs. The SmartWall addresses this by routing the insulation into the structure, which helps eliminate the dew points and moisture problems. These thermal breaks are on every major stud, and that includes factory installed EPS insulation throughout. Another neat thing is it includes horizontal purlins, which makes it super easy to route electrical and plumbing without messing up your insulation. This is fairly similar to structural insulated panels or SIPs, but where the SmartWall differs is it still has real studs inside, making it way easier to mount things like hose bibs or outlets or other fixtures. Prefab doesn't just mean make the walls smarter, it makes the whole process smarter. Computer-aided drafting tools optimize material use, which makes way less waste than traditional stick-built homes. Plus, everything arrives on site ready to go, and this saves time and money. There are some prefab companies that do lock you into stock designs, but others, like Pacific Homes or Unity Homes, offer full custom builds. You can go from design to delivery as one unified process. As a matter of fact, this is so efficient that I've seen some cases where the foundation is prepped ahead of time and the building shell, including the roof, goes up in a matter of days. This isn't just faster, it's smarter. So, if you're building a home with things like solar, HVAC, and even well water and septic, starting with prefab gives you total control to plan your tech before you pour the concrete. I am totally sold on this approach to my dream smart home. What do you think? Have you built or considered a prefab home? Did you plan for smart tech from the beginning? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to follow along. In the next episode, we'll talk about designing smart electrical systems for a truly intelligent home. Thanks for watching.